has reached 3,000 for the first time ever in history. What a time to be alive. Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's session. In today's session, we're going to go over a few currency pairs I have on my watch list and see what potential trading opportunities we have for this coming week. If that sounds interesting to you, stick with us until the end. Don't forget to like if you do find value and share with a few friends. I'll be super grateful for that. So let's dive right into it. We're going to start off right off the back with gold hitting 3,000 for the first time ever in history. As you can see right here, it has hit $3,000. So it's insane. Anyways, gold is super bullish. Gold is super bullish. Looking at our technicals, we can see that gold has actually struck 3,000, breaking these highs. So what I'm really anticipating to see is gold will obviously keep creating new higher highs with the way it's moving. So I do anticipate to see it retrace until somewhere here before it continues going further higher. So that's my view on gold. Obviously, you can see here it broke with a very strong momentum. We didn't get a chance to retest, and then it kept pumping. Same thing here, just broke above that, no retest, kept pumping. So obviously, we just have to keep on looking at it and see how it's going to be playing out. But I do believe it will keep on being bullish. Now, let's look at other pairs that how they played out last week. Starting off with DXY, I was anticipating to see prices be bullish, break above that, and then push until somewhere there before we actually start selling. However, for the whole week, prices were just ranging in here. They were just ranging, no major push, no nothing, and that's how it actually played out. So most of the pairs in this currency week, in this trading week, in the past trading week, haven't really had that much momentum that had the dollar in them. So as you can see, I'm still anticipating. So just to give you my view, I'm still anticipating to see prices break above that and pump all the way up there. As you can see on the daily, it's kind of losing momentum and it's on a support structure. So I still believe it does have the potential to pump up here. However, should prices break below here, then who are we to say no to price action? We'll just keep on following price action. But my bias is prices will break above here, give us a retest, and then keep on pumping higher. Now, how will this be impacting the other currency pairs? We do have Euro USD. As you can see here, I'm anticipating for prices to keep on selling. However, it hasn't done so. It's just dancing around here. We have this resistance structure on the daily that it has failed to break, and it's dancing around there. Now, if we come back to the 4-hour, the place or the key that I'm looking for to be broken, I'm looking to see prices break below that trend line and then give us some kind of a retest somewhere there before it continues selling all the way down here. However, for this to even be a sweeter trade, I want to see prices break below this low and then give us a retest in here. That will be an even A1 setup, no doubt about it. So that's my view and what I'm anticipating to see happen on Euro USD. However, as I told you, price action is king. Should prices break above that resistance, then we'll be looking for longs and prices to keep on being bullish. Now we do have GBP USD ranged the whole week, no major move. However, should prices break below here, obviously because we are bullish biased on the dollar, we'll have to be bearish biased on GBP USD. Should prices break below here, we'll be looking for that entry right there and then a sell right off the back. Now let's look at JPYX. This is the one that has had some kind of momentum during the week. However, it's just been a momentum in a range, if that makes sense. It has just been dancing around here. Now, for any major moves to happen, I want to see JPYX break below here or break above here, meaning break out of this range. And the way things are shaping, it looks like prices are most likely going to break below here. As you can see, it created a high, and then we had a lower low, lower high, and then same low, but then lower high again. So all the indicators are pointing the bears are stronger than the bulls. So let's just wait and see. No guesswork. We have to wait for confirmation before we pull that trigger. So should prices break below here, that's when we're going to be looking for entries. Or should prices break above that, we'll be looking for entries in the bullish side. Now, how are pairs shaping out? You can see here with USDJPY, obviously, I was looking for prices to be bullish, ranged the whole week. So I want to see prices for me to buy. I want to see prices break above that. Give me a retest before we continue. We do have Euro JPY. Prices broke above this structure here, but didn't give us a solid retest, and then went back to retest these minor lows here, which was kind of a confirmation, not kind of it was a confirmation. However, it formed during the Asia session, and obviously during the Asia session, I'm mostly asleep. I don't trade the Asian session, but for those that were awake, this could have been a potential trade, and we aim for 103 somewhere up there. And could we have been a break even right now? It would have been a 98 pip risk, and we would have been at break even as prices would have floated to over 130 pips. So it would have been already at break even, just floating risk free. We didn't catch the move because it formed during the Asia session, but it was a nice setup. Now, my next setup will be once prices break above that, I will be looking for some kind of a buy and prices to tap that as the targets. As you can see, the prices are in a bullish, so we're just gonna keep buying until the trend changes. Trend is your friend, guys. In trading, trend is your effing friend. Don't do anything against the trend. So with CAD JPY, as you can see, prices, we were anticipating them to be bullish. However, prices just ranged in here for about the week, and currently still in the consolidation range or whatever. So for me to take the trade, I'll have to wait for them to break above that and then get up there. That's a conservative entry. For a more risky approach, I might look for entries right there. So that's my view on the markets this coming week, guys. If you did find value, please consider giving us a like, share with a few friends, subscribe, comment your biggest takeaway. And till next time, guys, appreciate you all. Take it easy out there. Cheers.